Hey everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about how you can download an unknown sourced app in your device OnePlus 9RT. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9RT you want to download the unknown sourced app, or if you want to install the unknown sourced app, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download unknown sourced app in your device. Let's watch the video.